One of my biggest fears after my skin finally cleared up was keeping it clear. I had pretty severe acne for many years, and it took a lot of trial and error to find something that actually worked for me. From finding the right skincare products to making lifestyle changes, healing my acne was quite the journey. So when I finally achieved it, naturally I wanted to do whatever I could to keep my results. In this video, I'll be sharing the 4 main things I do to prevent acne and keep my skin clear and healthy. When I had acne, I remember doing a lot of research on how to heal it, and it seemed that almost every blog, article, or book I'd read would say to eat healthier, exercise, drink water, and get plenty of sleep. And I'm a very action-oriented person. Once I figure out how to get from point A to point B, I'll take the steps necessary to get there. So I changed my eating habits. Water became my new favorite drink. I started exercising daily, and I did whatever I could to improve my sleep. And all of this was great, but there was one little problem. Anytime I didn't do these things, I felt fear. If I ate something that wasn't healthy, I'd feel guilty. If I took a sip of a sugary drink, I'd think, this is going to make me break out. If I missed a workout, I'd feel like I had somehow failed. And this all or nothing mentality isn't sustainable long term. If I wanted to stick to these healthy habits, I had to give myself permission to enjoy life. Over the years, I've learned that adopting a healthy lifestyle is important, but even more important than that is embracing a balanced life. Healthy living isn't about depriving yourself of your favorite indulgence. Missing a workout isn't going to derail your progress. Rather than beating myself up for things I do on occasion, I find it helpful to remind myself that what matters is what I'm doing most of the time. If most of the time I'm making healthy food choices, if more times than not I'm getting my workouts in, drinking plenty of water, and getting quality sleep, then I'd say I'm on the right track. Life is about balance, and adopting this mindset has helped me stay consistent with my healthy habits and keep my skin clear. One of the main triggers for my acne was definitely stress. And I've talked about this many times, but I used to be a person that lived in a constant state of stress. I was always lost in my thoughts, ruminating about the past and worrying about the future. And it's no secret that stress affects our mental and physical health, which of course includes our skin. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol hormones, causing an increase in oil production in the skin, which leads to a higher risk of getting breakouts. Finding ways to lower my stress levels was an important step in my healing journey. Practicing meditation has really helped me with this. Meditation has taught me to disconnect from the chaos of life and observe my thoughts without judgment. By bringing my attention back to my breath over and over again, I've trained my mind to stay more in the present moment. But it's not just about practicing meditation in a calm and quiet space. It's about bringing this awareness into your everyday life. Because what good is it to calm your mind for 5 or 10 minutes and then go back to living a stressful life? The idea is to carry the peace you cultivate in your meditation practice and take this into your everyday life. Being fully present when you do things like brushing your teeth, driving to work, or washing dishes. And I'm not gonna lie, it takes time and a lot of practice. But meditation and mindfulness have been some of the most important tools in my journey. This is why I've created so much content around this topic. So if you're needing more guidance in this area, I'll have my mindfulness playlist linked in the description box below. Just like most people who've had acne, I tried almost every skincare product on the market in hopes of it clearing up my skin. I had a cleanser for the morning, a different one at night, all kinds of tools, face masks, exfoliators, moisturizers, and spot treatments. It was overwhelming not only for my mind, but also for my skin. And if you're anything like me, when something sounds too complicated, chances are you're not going to do it. So one of the best things I ever did was to simplify my skincare routine and only use things that actually work for me. The majority of the products I use are by my favorite skincare brand, Banish, who is the sponsor of today's video. Their products have done wonders not only for my skin, but for so many other people, including my own friends and family. One of the top products I recommend for acne-prone skin is their pumpkin enzyme mask. It's been a regular in my skincare routine since 2014. It helps to clear my pores, reduce oily skin, and it gently exfoliates it, so when used regularly, it can help prevent acne. I'd say my skin stays clear about 99% of the time, but on occasion, I'll get a small pimple here and there, most of the time underneath my chin. And when this happens, I like to apply the Fighter Gel. This has ingredients like arnica and aloe vera, so it reduces inflammation and speeds up the healing process. It has a really nice cooling sensation, and it just feels so soothing. A product I use every single week is the Banisher. This is an at-home microneedling tool that stimulates collagen production to help reduce acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and fine lines. Even though I've had really great results with professional microneedling, the truth is you need more than one treatment, and the price can quickly add up. That's why I like using this, because it's a much more affordable option that you can use multiple times. I also love that there's very little downtime compared to professional microneedling. This only causes a little bit of redness that goes away within a couple of hours. And after every session, I apply the Banish serum, which helps the skin repair and encourages collagen production. Banish put together a kit where you can get all of these products for a reduced price, so you can prevent and combat hyperpigmentation, breakouts, and acne scars. So if you're interested, I'll have a link to the kit in the description box below, and you can use code VANESSAE at checkout to save. Thanks again to Banish for sponsoring this video. Of all the lessons I've learned throughout my acne journey, I believe this is one of the most important, and that is to accept yourself exactly as you are. I hid from the world for many years, through makeup, covering my face with my hair, avoiding eye contact, and physically isolating myself even from the people closest to me. My biggest fear was for others to see my natural bare skin with all of the acne and scarring. I remember my lowest point was the day I wasn't wearing any makeup and I hid in a very small enclosed space and nearly fainted just to avoid people seeing my acne. I share all of the details of this very vulnerable moment in my acne story video, but what I really learned from this situation was the importance of fully loving and accepting myself, no matter what my skin situation might be. I learned the hard way that my beauty and my worth are not defined by how flawless my skin is. My worth is much deeper than that. And funny enough, the moment I shifted my focus from being obsessed with clearing my skin to cultivating self-acceptance and self-love was the moment my skin started to heal. Over the years, I've made great progress with my skin, and I celebrate this. But my skin is not perfect. I still have some indented acne scars, particularly on my right cheek, and the truth is, I have no idea if they'll ever fully heal. But I'm perfectly okay with that, because no matter what, I choose to love and accept myself exactly as I am. If you'd like to hear my complete acne story, including the vulnerable moment I mentioned earlier, I'll have it linked on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I'll see you very soon.